My name is Linn Fredlund, and I was project manager on the re-roof project for the Kansas City Overhaul base. The biggest challenge was the steepness of the job. We had to be tied off 100%. After we put down a few sheets, it was even more dangerous, more slick than what the original foam roofing was. So the major thing is safety. We had to be very safe on this job. Once we found out that this was a rather historic building, we took a little bit more pride in putting it back to the shape that it should have been kept in all along. Eero Saarinen was a tremendous architect in the 50s and 60s, had done quite a bit of work with TWA, but he was also the architect that designed the Gateway Arch in St. Louis. We tested many different vapor barriers, attachments of insulation, and we knew that we would get a good adhesion with the fleece-backed Sarnafil. We used the Sarnafil 327 fleece-backed 80 mil, and we did some test samples, and we were able to get good pull tests. So at that point, we knew that we had a good system. We would like to thank all of the Sarnafil people, especially Phil Cook, who made numerous site visits and was instrumental in helping develop the specification. All the architects, engineers. Lori Woods was the lead consultant on the job with Walter P. Moore, and she did a fantastic job from the beginning. She probably started looking at this project back in 2016, all the way through to today.